Two towering figures of Athens and Greek philosophy, Plato and Aristotle, not only shaped ancient thought but also laid the foundation for centuries of intellectual discourse. While they were teacher and student, their ideas often stood in stark contrast. In this video, we explore the timeless debate between Plato's idealism and Aristotle's realism and how these philosophies shaped their views on life, society, and knowledge. Plato, a student of Socrates, is often considered the father of idealism. He believed that the physical world we see is merely a shadow of a higher, unchanging reality, the world of forms. These forms, or ideals, represent the perfect versions of everything in our material world. In his famous Allegory of the Cave, Plato described a group of prisoners who only see shadows of real objects cast on a wall. For Plato, our sensory experiences are like those shadows, mere reflections of a deeper truth. Plato applied this idea to ethics and governance. In his famous work, Republic, he argued that a just society could only be achieved by philosophers who understood these eternal forms, particularly the form of the good. Aristotle, Plato's most famous student, rejected the idea of a separate world of forms. He argued that knowledge comes from observing the natural world and understanding it through experience and reason. Instead of searching for universal ideals, Aristotle focused on categorizing and analyzing the tangible world around us. In his book, Ethics, Aristotle emphasized the concept of virtue as a balance, what he called the golden mean, between extremes. In politics, he advocated for a government rooted in practicality and human nature rather than abstract ideals. For Aristotle, learning and wisdom came not from contemplating another realm but from engaging with and understanding the world we live in. Key differences. Source of knowledge. Plato believed in innate knowledge, accessed through reason, while Aristotle emphasized learning through observation and experience. Ethics and morality. Plato aimed for an abstract ideal of the good, whereas Aristotle focused on achieving balance in everyday life. Nature of reality. Plato saw the physical world as an imperfect shadow of true reality, while Aristotle saw it as the real, knowable world. Politics. Plato's ideal society was ruled by philosopher kings, while Aristotle preferred a more pragmatic, mixed government structure. Modern relevance. Plato and Aristotle's debate remains incredibly relevant today. Plato's idealism resonates in fields like mathematics, where abstract concepts govern physical applications. Meanwhile, Aristotle's realism underpins the scientific method, emphasizing observation and evidence. In our personal lives, too, we navigate between idealism and realism, balancing lofty aspirations with practical realities. In the end, Plato and Aristotle represent two sides of the same philosophical coin. While Plato urges us to reach for higher ideals, Aristotle reminds us to stay grounded in the here and now. Together, they challenge us to think deeply about our world and our place within it. Who do you think has the stronger argument, Plato with his pursuit of ideals or Aristotle with his focus on practicality? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more philosophical comparisons.